duty and standby selection should be done from the MOT-CCR remotely. That is the scope. That is also again INC related, instrument related modification, soft modification in the control room in each MPS and MOT control room. No hardware modification. Even if hardware, that will be only cables related to instrument. Okay. And now 9.3 FNG matrix panel operation, that is related to 9.1 only. FNG matrix panel hardware matrix panel is installed in MPS. So as part of the remote operation, and the TOR says matrix panel should be replicated in the MOT-CCR, but we raised TQ. Now this will be also through soft modification from MOT-CCR. So again, this will be INC related activity, cables and control related modification. Then 9.4 weekly alarm review and optimization. This is purely OEM related in the control room and INC activity. No other discipline involved, no hardware modification. Same 9.5 plan maintenance for ICSS SCADA system at MOT. This is also similar OEM related activity in control system modification. 9.6 ESD 02 local reset. There are some valves, shutdown valves in MPS and IPS location. So those valves need to reset from the MOT-CCR and individual control room also. So this is again, there will be some hardware modification, but that is in control room only through push button. So push button and INC related activity only. 9.7 MP20 start stop and MP2021 changeover from MOT. Currently MP2021 changeover is happening from the MPS. Now as part of this MPS IPS automation, TOR recommends that this changeover should happen from the MOT-CCR. So again, this is the modification related to the control room and INC activities. This 9.8 to 11 is CCTV telecom related activity. There is in IPS only, I believe only 4 cameras are getting added. 4 or 5 cameras are getting added. So there is no PNID involved, only telecom related activities are here in 9.8 to 9.11. If you can see, CCTV coverage, PAGA coverage, plant maintenance activity for telecom system, perimeter surveillance system. Now